Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in today to Izzy the Tech Guy. Today we will be discussing query optimization. This is just an introduction to query optimization. So go ahead and get started. We'll go ahead and get our data set ready, which is the AdventureWorks 2022 data set we'll be using. And if you see here, I have two queries. They're exactly the same. The output will be exactly the same, but I'm using different where statements. So I have first name like, and then down here I have business entity ID equals to 274. Now this is just to illustrate how certain queries, depending on what you put in the qualifier or in the where statement, will determine the output and how fast the query runs. For now, let me press Control All, and then I'm going to press execute. Now if you notice, both of the queries came back exceptionally fast. Now, when you're dealing with larger size of data, that will slow down, that will change. Our data set that we're dealing here is not big at all, so the results are coming back really fast. However, if we want to go ahead and see, hey, this data set is going to grow and we want to determine what size to use, to do that, you would come up here. Oops, wrong one. You'll select this right here, include actual execution plan. So this will tell you the steps that the query is going to take to execute and get your results. So we'll go ahead and run the same thing again, and then just pause the video here, and I want you to tell me which one do you think would run faster, the one that's using the like statement or the one that's using the where statement. So let's go ahead and look at our execution plan, and this is telling you exactly what's going to happen, what path it's going to take. And again, this is just an introduction. We can go deeper into this and get more relevant information to understand how to optimize a query. But for now, let's look at this. So the estimated subtree cost for this one is 0.016. That's the first query. And the second one is 0.00. Is that 3 zeros? 2 zeros, 98. So we see the second query is more efficient, which is what we expected, because we're specifying in the where clause a primary key. Up here, we're doing a like statement. So that is what we're expected. So again, if you want to get started and just kind of see the query optimization and see what the path is, this is a good way to start. And later videos, we'll get into deeper topics about using this execution plan to lay out some high performing queries. And sometimes the execution plan, unfortunately, is not going to work because the table is built so poorly. So thank you for tuning in today, and see you later.